I'm Shannon. This is Chasing Adventures Bus. Come on in, take a look around. Kind of dark.
So you got storage underneath?
Yeah, kind of. It pulls down, but I've got a wheel well underneath there, so there's not a whole lot of storage. That's why I decided to put the couch here, entertainment center over here on top of this other wheel well. So trying to utilize as much space as I can.
I like the breakfast bar.
Thank you. I didn't really want to do a traditional dinette. I figured it would take up too much room. I figured we'd be eating outside most of the time anyway, so, but at least to have some sort of counter space. I wanted to have
Now, did you pull the old ceiling off?
Yeah, old ceiling. It was actually pulled down when I bought the bus. I bought it and it was completely gutted already.
That's nice.
Yeah, all the hard work was done from all the videos that I've watched. That's the hard part. But then we did 2 layers of insulation with the corrugated tin over top.
Yep.
So, galley kitchen, propane stove, and water tank is actually under the bus. I know a lot of people don't do that, but living in Arizona, I didn't really have to worry about water freezing too much.
Mine's under the bus. And I'm from Western New York.
Okay.
But I chase 70 degrees.
Yeah.
I've had water freeze a couple times, but the sun comes up, it thaws out.
Yeah.
So I like the baskets, the storage.
Thank you. Facebook Marketplace has been my friend. I've gotten a lot of the stuff you see in here secondhand, repainted the cabinets, stuff like that. So, not completely finished yet, but oops, we've got a full bathroom in here, composting toilet, hot water tank, propane. Nice. Apartment size refrigerator. I kept the emergency exit door accessible just because I think it the cross breeze is really nice when it's open, and just another
you can also, like,
entrance and exit.
Days like today, you can catch a little bit of a breeze blowing through.
Exactly. I've got an 11-year-old and an 18-year-old, so I decided to do the bunk beds. 18-year-old won't be traveling too much with me, but the option is there for extra sleeping space.
Sure.
Yep. This will be the electrical cabinet. It's kind of messy now, but all the solar power will be here, batteries. When I get all that.
How much solar do you have?
Well, I don't have any up there now. I've got 400 watts of solar that need to be installed, but I'd like to keep building up as
There's
budget.
a lot of people here that are just like, same
little
thing.
at a time. You have to. It's expensive if you want to get the good stuff. And then king size bed, and it lifts up on the pistons, and then there's tons of storage underneath.
Right. And then a mini split.
Mini split unit. Does heat and air conditioning. So
just to throw this idea out, a couple years ago, 3 years ago, a couple I know, they got the same kind of big bed, but they took luggage that they picked up, old antique luggage they picked up at a junk shop, and screwed it to the engine cover to have his and her dressers.
Oh.
So stuff that you would normally stick in a dresser, that's how they utilized that area, which was sort of nice.
That's a great idea. Yeah, because I didn't really know what to do with that back there. I didn't want to put the bed all the way to the back window.
Yep. I've seen that. I've seen people put a library in and make it just a little quiet spot to curl up with a book.
That would be nice.
Me, the little quiet spot to curl up with a book is the bed right next to it, so, you know.
That's okay. So still a work in progress, but she's getting there.
Well, all of ours are.
Yep. I've just a little at a time been working on it. I've had it about 1.5 years, and I've done all the work myself. So
Very nice job.
Oh,
I like it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for the tour.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming to visit.
Now, do you have any social media presence that if people wanted to get a hold of you, ask questions, or?
Yeah, it's chasing_adventures_bus.
Okay.
On Instagram.
All right.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hope you enjoyed that video. And remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right. See you next time, YouTube. Bye.